Sincerbox, and I'm technical service technologist with CHT.
Hi, and I'm Lisa Stutzman. I'm inside sales and portfolio manager, and we are CHT. CHT is a global silicone manufacturer. We currently are located as a parent company in Germany. However, we have facilities in 27 locations around the world, and we service more than 120 different countries. We focus on constant innovation. We look for custom designs and customer solutions, as well as excellent customer service. That's what we call smart chemistry with character.
Today, we're excited to showcase our silicone elastomers, where we focus on bonding, sealing, adhesives, encapsulants, potting encapsulants, and optical clarity solutions. So we'd like to showcase specifically our SilSo Lite 21025. We created this. It's been in our portfolio for a while. We had some customers trial it, and what we experienced is that they needed a few tweaks to it. And so that's what we focus on, is we can customize our current portfolio to have a lower viscosity, a lower density. We can also customize for our thermal conductivity. So anything that fits within your application, we can tweak our current portfolio. You can pull something off the shelf. And that way, it's fully customizable to your application specifically. So we're excited to showcase all those to you today. And we're also very excited to showcase that we are eco-friendly, and we're striving to be more sustainable. We don't want toxicological marks on our SDSs, and that's just what we're mainly focused on.
Right. As Kate said, we focus a lot on customization for what the customer needs for their exact application and in their exact needs. But we also strive for having an economical and eco-friendly atmosphere. So we focus on 3 Ps: the people, planet, and performance. With this, we really are looking to the future. We don't want to focus on just what we have right now. We're really looking to have something that's very sustainable for us, for our future, and for our planet.
So for more information, you can connect with us on LinkedIn, or you can go to our website at cht-silicones.com or cht.com.
And on LinkedIn, it is CHT Silicone Experts.